Vitamin D is very important for our bodies, since it affects a number of bodily functions. We often get this vitamin from exposure to sunlight, but it is also obtained by eating certain foods such as fish and dairy products. Vitamin D supplementation is also popular, since getting enough of this vitamin is difficult from diet alone. Unfortunately, there are quite a few individuals who are deficient in this vitamin without even knowing it, as the signs and symptoms are either subtle or not well known. Over time, this could have a negative effect on an individual's quality of life. Let's discuss some signs and symptoms of vitamin D deficiency. Those who are vitamin D deficient may feel more fatigued and tired. Since there are so many reasons why we can feel tired during the day, such as lack of sleep or obesity, vitamin D deficiency is often overlooked. Vitamin D deficiency can cause daytime fatigue, or even make it harder to get out of bed in the mornings, even with quality sleep. Vitamin D plays an important role in keeping our immune system strong and free from different bacteria and illness. This is because vitamin D directly affects the cells that are responsible for fighting against infection. Therefore, another sign and symptom of vitamin D deficiency is getting sick more often. Low levels of vitamin D can be a contributing factor to becoming infected with cold and flus more often. As well, it has been found that taking vitamin D supplements may reduce the risk of certain respiratory tract infections. Another possible symptom of vitamin D deficiency is bone and lower back pain. Vitamin D is an important vitamin for maintaining overall bone health. It supports bone health and helps with the body's absorption of calcium. It has been found that those individuals with a vitamin D deficiency were more likely to have back pain, which often limited their daily activities. As well, they were also more likely to have bone pain throughout their bodies, such as in their legs and joints. A deficiency in this vitamin will not only cause bone pain, but it can also cause bone loss, since it not only helps with calcium absorption, but also bone metabolism. This can lead to lower bone mineral density. Vitamin D deficiency may also negatively affect our mood. Feelings of depression may be a sign of vitamin D deficiency. This has often been linked to older adults. By being deficient in this vitamin, it may also cause seasonal depression during the colder months when exposure to sunlight is limited. Depression and all mental health symptoms are complex and should be discussed with your medical practitioner to determine its exact cause and remedy. Lastly, another sign and symptom of vitamin D deficiency may be hair loss. When hair loss is severe, this can be the result of nutrient deficiency. Hair loss may be a sign of vitamin D deficiency and female pattern hair loss. As well, there have been links found between low levels of vitamin D and alopecia areata, and low levels of this vitamin may be a risk factor for developing this autoimmune disease, which can affect hair loss. Be sure to discuss any of the above signs and symptoms with your medical practitioner to determine their exact cause, and also to discuss the correct amount of vitamin D you should be taking daily to support your health.